You're easy spice. Yeah, go on the girl.
What have I done?
There, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me have something fresh, man, from me. Something they'll show it to you, you know. I true me busy, man. That's what I mean that to get. Well, I know a thing going on. Sometimes I true not to other in a broadcast this again, so you know, say I say things said, but don't worry yourself, man. It's hot, man. But we'll chat it to you now. I'll send it to your email and I'll make you take a listen to it. But I want to hear a little flavor upon it, you know. Your flavor, I like your flavor, I like the spice you have there. Alright, bless up yourself. Yo, Puppy Dad. Where you going with, man? Yo, me have a new rhythm in my general way. Me send it on you. Make a car. You see me? Take a listen and make all the vibes and do a new song for you. How that sound? Yeah, man, it's hot, man. Hot. Right now, I don't even send a rhythm to nobody else, you know. You see me? Because you're a real general. Yeah, man, the rhythm hot, man. Yeah, me the right out on the road, so. Just go and circle. Alright then, cool.
Oh, man.
Everything now, man?
Yeah, man, everything now, man.
Yo, I tell you now, I have a brand new rhythm and I spend enough money on it now. I make a year still.
Yeah, man.
Anything go, but where you going to do?
There, the producer a dog. Say you mash up TV, you know. You tear down your place with the hot rhythm, you know. Now we get a youth, you know, named Puppy Dan, you know. And give me a rhythm, man, and a bad rhythm, man, and I drop a bad song on it.
Yeah, man, just go and link me up at the studio, because I don't like young artists, me rhythm, you know, so you have it all over your face, but just go and link me up at the studio. Take my number.
Alright.
I'm put fair night here, man. Alright, then just link me, Zane.
Alright, so you link up.
Yeah, man, bless
Alright.
up. Nah, man. I'm balling. Name them a calling.
What go on? Now you miss it on TV. Are you a big producer when you're raw dog?
Yeah, what I mean, say, man.
But you're hot, man.
True.
You run the place red, me like, what you do? You sell off. I never know something could have seen man like you. Me glad to me see you miss it on TV.
I mean, say, man.
Me can't believe to me see you.
I mean, man.
No, man, I me like how you look.
True. So
Anyway, you know, so me have one man do music. But when he young, he no boss it. Yes, he hot, he can sing good, he bad, he voice turn up. I'm mother like if you boss him, you know, because he young, you know, nobody don't know about him, he no boss it.
Oh, true.
So you can't give me to a rhythm them fame.
You know, me have one brand new rhythm I work on.
I lie.
I have something brand new, man, but me can send it to you and make you take a listen to it and all the vibes and then you can go from this.
You know, so I left my phone?
Alright, then no problem, put your number in there.
Alright.
You look good to do. You know, man, you do music?
No, I don't do music. I can't
Brown and
sing.
sexy.
You must cockroach in a film throat. You'd laugh today until you drop down. I can't sing.
So you don't do no instruments, you don't play no instruments?
Instruments? One of your instruments. I don't know a name, so.
Oh, you don't use the flute and them, so.
No, I don't know a name, so I first hear that name there.
Like, I can turn a nice backup singer, man. Round and sexy.
No, I
and
don't
like your voice.
I don't like growing up back. Hold the phone, I put my number in there.
Alright. Well, I send the rhythm still. So
you want to say about one blowing part, whatever? I don't know. Remember, I don't know about music, you know.
No, man, it's just a flute where the ladies blow.
Blow? No, I don't like blowing thing.
No, it's instrument.
No, I don't want to blow nothing at all in a real life. You see, blowing thing, I don't like. I don't want to blow nothing at all in a real life.
I like your voice, so you have a nice voice, like you can be a nice like a backup singer.
No man, I can't bother with the back thing at front, I want to stay. What I can't put me in a sound sitting when I can't do and when I don't like?
Don't bother kill yourself.
I don't kill myself, I am not singer to save my life, it not go work out. You don't have no other rest of work you can give me for love.
Well, you can check me up at studio now, but you put your number on your phone. So, what you save it as again?
Me can't save.
What you save your
It's
number
until me
as on
go
my
home.
phone?
Oh, Candy.
Oh, candy. Rasta candy. Sexy, nice, round candy. Can carry help on tour with me too, you know.
You do so much talking. Now what happened?
Easy, man. Actually, you look nice, man.
Why, I know say me look nice. Thanks for the compliment, but you know say some men they go do. They
Yeah?
go start out something. So guess what? Send me redeem them and make me show me man.
Alright, man.
I'm well want team boss in a real life.
You're sending everything, man. But more if you can talk to you off the ear too. I don't know if that can work. You don't have to know so when me talk.
Just call me man, because you don't have my number already.
Alright, sexy candy.
Alright then.
What good, sexy, round, nice, clean candy. Yo, artist. Where you going with? Yo, me dey on your lane, you know. Yeah, man, me have one brand new rhythm, man, more here, man. So come circle me, now. Alright, me dey out a Navlet read chapter, so. Alright, me dey in my car, yeah. Ah. Come on. Alright. Hello. Good evening.
Evening.
Yeah, morning.
My day.
They don't see so much nice woman there around Panda Lane, so. What's your name?
So nice about me. Apple.
What? Apple? Alright. So give me a number now, we can talk sometime.
No, me have my man though, so me can't really do that.
You have a man?
Yeah.
You don't know who you talk to, don't you?
No, sir, you could tell me.
A me name. Say never know about Raw Dog, a me name Raw Dog.
Brother.
Producer. You don't know me?
No, sir, I don't know you.
A me name Raw Dog. Fly go everywhere. England, USA, Canada, Germany, Italy, Africa. Everywhere me there. Spain, France, everywhere. Music.
Think me about you before though, but
A me produce Vibes Cartel music. You don't know me?
no, sir.
April, how we are doing so?
No man stop me.
We are doing so.
No man stop me.
Come on
Boss, yeah,
now.
boss. A direction me
Come on
ask
now.
for, boss.
Yo, look, you see that girl you lower, you know.
Apple look like a sour now.
How long no since me there?
Long time.
A market catch your eye?
No, sir.
But when you talk about G-Wagon, yo, don't play with me now. Come on.
Me have G-Wagon too. This a Rasta boy, yeah.
You better mind what you say, you know. Come go in the yard, man.
That's the man. Producer Raw Dog. Go on, my general.
Yo, what going man?
Good day, brother. How things?
Bro, me there on there say a while ago, brother, me tell some say a nice like Ophelia. You know,
Yeah,
she really
yeah.
nice still, but she a pass. You know,
yeah.
there I go and say me can show you no hook. But me just say the girl, man, just grab the girl, man, and just walk away, man.
My God, don't worry about it, man. Rasta, you know, same state sometimes, you know what I mean? But
Bro, come on.
you can't make the man kind of crampy style. Yeah. Look where you want to look, do what you want to do, cause, you know what I mean? Yeah, rough.
Yeah, but it's not even like the girl is
Hot.
all that.
Hey, rough.
Yo, I'm telling you, bro. I've already things that are really fit us still, isn't it?
I want to give thanks, man.
Real international vibes, and I know you have like international vibes, isn't it?
Same,
So I know
give thanks.
I'm not normal.
Right. Yeah, man, you know, so right down, guess me live, brother, right down, guess me live. So guess what now, man, I'm just going to start it out right now, cause guess what now? We just want to get it right and do it right away, you know what I mean? So just send it to me.
No,
Right
so I
now.
can say I live still, but I'm never really quite sure exactly, but
Yeah, man.
everything good though.
I tell you, nice, man. Just come off of the road somewhere, go in and go sort out that thing there right now, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, man, Raw Dog, I really appreciate the effort and the connection, cause, you know,
Bro, you
enough
know a
things.
thing, man. You know a thing, man.
Yeah.
You know work I've put in, and
Yeah, man.
what we're doing now is not even for now. It's for a lifetime. You
Lifetime.
know, it's music, so you know it's
Lifetime.
gonna live forever. You know.
True.
And you know, so right now in Jamaica, the music is not so good.
Not
It's
true.
not so good. Right now, African music a beat Jamaica bad right now. I mean, these artists are sing about too much gun and bust out head, and we need to go back into the 90s style, the 80s, and come up early 2000s, you know, international vibes, isn't it? Because there's some music there, and that the international artists them love, so you know, say, do the right thing, but
yeah, man.
bless up yourself.
What you mean, man? As I said, just send it to me so I can go down so I start.
Alright,
Here, brother.
no problem, man.
And we shall gather. You know what I mean?
Bless up yourself.
Yeah, man. Respect our man. Yes, sir.
I'm there.
So, you keep safe now, Rada. You know what I mean? Bless up yourself.
Whoa. You know what I think, go?
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me get the rhythm, man. Me get the rhythm. So I'm gonna start out and I just full of vibes and so on. Yeah, man, because from there, just that from my mind, if it's free up. You know what I mean? And so I can talk on the rhythm. Because some rhythm talk you differently, you know. You know, so I want to see if I can get a nice little vibe. Alright? You good?
How are you on phone at that too?
No bother that, man. Alright, I'm soon short it, man. No bother that, man.
Because long me I call you out here chat to girl on phone.
No girl me a chat up on my phone. So what make a happy girl me a chat up?
You never see me that call you?
When me there the signal never work, so I couldn't get to contact you.
So how it work for you to talk on phone now?
No, because one thing, you know, our phone system got already, man. But the producer me a talk to, get the rhythm. The producer give me the producer radar, give me the rhythm. So I have got make it one. Come in, man, let's have a food. Sure. You cook from there?
Nope. I have to buy food.
Yeah, man, we understand you, what kind of vibes you have to like, man. I tell you, say, yo, what are the bad vibes, man? Because I guess I know, give me the rhythm, you know what I mean? Producer Radar, him sat me and send it come give me, say, yo, what the box? Pull up the box, listen this. And the rhythm nice. You say love, but you push it. You said I wouldn't make it, but you're just too late.
Yeah man, it's hard man.
You said
Babes, go and go be and come back and sing your side song to me.
but you like it, fine?
I love it, it's so
Alright,
nice.
true, I guess I know I'm hot and thing.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to just be and follow. But it's really like nice.
Yeah man, I like it.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
Alright. I talk about me need a support. I love support for you. I told you. Is that, I'm going to go check on her room. Alright, so I'm soon come here.
Alright. Really?
You can't carry towel come in?
Yeah, me carry come for you.
You sure?
Yeah.
No, but you...
Me I bring come for you.
I don't understand. So, but... Well, I can't find it.
One more be able to come.
You sure?
I'll come join you.
You're going... Woo! Alright, yeah. Okay. Where? Babe, I tell you couldn't forward, man. You see a forward. A bit, but I can't hear trick me at the time to start. But yo, it's alright, everything good. But guess what? You see the rhythm, more of a singing song to you, so you can understand
what I'm
going
on.
You ready?
Yeah.
You sure? Alright, you are one. You say love, but you push hate. You said I wouldn't make it, but you're just too late. Remember, say you say love, but still you pushing hate. You said I wouldn't make it, but you're just too late.
Hold on. It's all nice now, but it's all like me so one hot DJ, man.
A hot DJ?
Yeah, want to the fire us.
You know, me can't really get him for true. I guess I know. You're right. Me feel say one DJ pan if you kind of bring one nice little vibe to it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, me check fire, man. Cause fire, lyrical too, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, some vibes, alright. Me check him and swag, man.
Yeah,
I check him and swag, man. Yeah, because him really can give me a good idea.
Yeah.
So I'm going to swag and check him, man. And then forward. Because babe, more to get this thing done soon, right away. So, but it's still, everything alright though?
Yeah.
You know, say everything nice, you know what I mean? Love a smile there, keep a smile there, don't drop a smile, yeah?
Stop arguing no sorry about that man. You not come back. You just gone in there, you can't come back. What do you mean you not come back? I want little something. Alright, whatever.
Fire! Humbug, welcome my general. How things? Everything good, boss?
Yeah, man, I'm there, but no, things are good though. Things are good.
Come there, I want, you know what I mean, activate me out on a little thing in the car. Guess what, I get a rhythm from a producer and, you know what I mean, he want me to, you know, get up top, you know.
Yo, before you go even further, I'm going to show you something. About me there, I go and burn off a vibe. I try to build a weed now. Because if you know I go on to the pan lane, you
what
if you know what going to the pan lane, if you know what going to the pan lane, the whole lane go for red up.
Sing.
Actually, I hide the thing way down. So by the time I go to the place and I dig up, if you rise it. By the time I come on and I see the road clear, no one there. No one look at you come on a Mark X. You know what I mean? And see me sister on the road and she might try perplex. You don't know if I try beg her sex. You know? I'm see about phone. Like she willing to receive text. I don't know what she try to do. I say, yo, so I reach out there. Daddy, I say like a fireball.
Rough.
You know what I do? I carry her in. And so I steer on dust and go ground at the place and I dig up the thing because the youth are running out, you know. Come tell my woman say me go drive G-Wagon. So I don't end up on the road and I talk to people in the markets. Me vex.
I understand
so anything you have to tell I say.
Yeah.
You can't tell like tomorrow. Tell like tomorrow right now. You can hear what? The brain of the know yourself.
You understand.
No, after I dig it up under the nothing with me, I have to dig up at the place again and put it back down there again.
Rough, that one is rough, for sure.
So nobody not get hurt. Only me alone, my feeling hurt. I tell her that.
I understand.
So you see right now, any meditation on my wall, me now hold it tonight.
I understand what I'm going.
Now burn one weed and cool down. Any idea you have, check it tomorrow.
Yo, fire. Nobody don't know out of the now, man. Because you don't know things. Sometimes ups and sometimes down. But you don't know you have to control the grounds. You know what I mean? So
I don't know about the down part, you know. I always... You may say to you, man.
Yes, sir.
You see not talk to I.
Yeah.
Not try to but down. Our people go down.
True.
See it there? Now, give me one different one.
Right,
give me one there. Get one for me.
I get a whistle forward. Yo, but here we go on. Just hold the vibes until tomorrow.
Go on.
See? Until tomorrow, hold the vibes. See?
Yeah.
Cool. Fire, yo, what the reason, brother? Man, that's orange.
Yeah,
yo.
No
tomorrow. Yes, sir.
No sour.
Yeah, come back here.
You don't know what I want. Eh? You don't know what I want.
So you still vex about what I want?
Me no must vex. Me tell about what kind of vehicle me tell me go buy if me driving now?
G-Wagon.
G-Wagon. So you can't wait for G-Wagon. Or you stop a market, so Mark's man stop you.
Yeah, but me don't know the man.
But why you stop? Why you stop?
But me never did want to be rude to him and be disrespectful. That's why I stop and
Oh, you still look like you look for him. The market's gone. Oh, you look over my shoulder.
Me not look over your shoulder. You me look pan.
So I see you look to, hey, you know, say me go for, you know. Me tell you, you know, say me go for. Me not tell you.
Yeah, you tell me that.
So you can't wait.
So now wait, me wait.
So oh, you stop for that man on roadside to man a drive Mark X.
Me not fancy film.
Me see the bicycle man a stop you not stop. But Mark X man make you stop. Are you carrying me? You see when a man stop you on road, you don't stop after a bus stop. You walk go home. You have your man. From them call to you say, yo, you have your man. You laugh. You laugh over me.
No,
I'm mad. Eh? How about your daughter? You want to see wrong side? Laugh again if you think about it. Come go on.
I tell you, say, yeah, but you know want vibes, man. You want what?
Go on.
Really?
You find him, bro.
Yeah,
You find him?
yeah, man, I tell you, say, I find him, but you know want vibe there. Man, energy, the boy, I don't know, like, somebody trouble, man. You just don't know mad vibes. But guess what now? It's like, he must say to me, say, him in a lane, I want brother drive up in our markets, and I look for him, oh man. You know what I mean? So he must say, all to the fact saying he want to rise the thing, and he can't get to rise the thing. And basically it's like, he must say, yo, he can't believe say I'll feed him that day. I try for y'all. Give him on a conversation.
Yeah,
you know what I
yeah.
mean? So me I say to myself, so boy, I'm glad say me in a them situation because my woman loyal. You say, you know, me just know say loyal. And
You know me not do that.
I know you not do me that big. I don't know that already. I understand that's why I'm there with you and we know so we are built together.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because, you know, my thing and my thing.
Yeah.
And I know so no other man in my thing or in my house and them something. You know what I mean? Because I them things the way I have house with woman, you know. I could I'm there by myself and just go and build and just start life. But I know say you're loyal and trustworthy. So I'm there with you. I could I'm there by myself, you know. I could I'm there by myself. But that's why I say to myself, say, no man, this a girl a loyal and you know what I mean, we can build and we can do things and we can have life and make life. So you know, I appreciate you. I'm glad to say you're there because no man, yo, me don't want to, yo, if you know say me there a road and a man in my house, all them something that would just, you know what I mean, but me not pre them vibes there, right? So me, you know, it's that pretty smile there. That drive me right, and that give me the fire, you know. You know what I mean? That burn my, you know what I mean? So yeah, I appreciate you. So you are going, we're just going to do it thing. But tomorrow instead of come check in. You see I hear a smile, I hear a smile that keep my fire burning, you know what I mean? So yeah, I just appreciate you, so yeah. But tomorrow instead of link him upstairs, I'll see what I want tomorrow, yeah?
Hello? Hello? Raw dog here. How this? Hello, is who this a play with me?
Hello.
Yeah, who this?
I take Keisha.
Tekisha?
Yes. You know what I'm talking about?
Tekisha, which Tekisha is? What you have to tell me? How this?
Where is my house?
Oh! Tekisha from up road.
Yes.
Oh.
You know
Oh.
what I'm talking about?
What you have to tell me?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant. So I come here and tell one to your man. You tell your boyfriend you're pregnant.
What you mean that's tell my baby father? I feel pity.
No, my girl, don't do that. Don't do that. If you come say me, and then me I'll leave me alone there. Or if you say, Mama, what you say? What you say to me, Mama? You're not easy.
But say, are you?
Tekisha, what your name? You're not easy. Listen to me, girl. Go give your man the pitney and stop. You know, I'm come on for the phone at you. Little girl.
Raw dog now. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Let me show you. You have to make him mind him. Yo, let me tell you something, Mr. Raw dog.
What is so?
You ask who this? You well know me. And the guitarist this. Listen to me, Raw dog. You have to mind your picnic.
What the this man ain't easy? Man, you know me, man, you know me. I'm in here, raw dog. You come on from my phone with the foolishness. Little girl, go find a picnic pot, go find who breed you.
Let you ask this man. No worry yet, me know you, man. No worry yet, me know you. But you have to mind your picnic. Cause me now mind no jacket this year.
Me never, outside me come, me never come inside, outside me come.
You too careless.
Go put your face on her face and the picnic and the record on social media and you must find one picnic. Go link Auntie Candy.
You're not even know if she have HIV. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Go around.
Go link Auntie Candy for help. You know I can't try scam. You know alright, me have tour figure up and come off on my phone. Little girl, me block this number too. Come off on my phone.
Go on, raw dog. Go on. You're good. Oh, hang up.
Right. Out order.
Hello?
Hello, good night, sexy candy. With the round shape. It's raw dog, you know, producer raw dog. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I hope I'm not calling you at the wrong time, you know.
Well, it's almost the wrong time. Cause my man and him way coming home.
Okay.
Where you deal with?
I'm here, but me send the rhythm to you, know, so you can probably make him hear it, but I'm just saying though, you look real nice today, you know. I was thinking about you earlier.
Oh, you send the rhythm, thanks. Me never know. Where you send it on? WhatsApp or what?
Yeah, I sent it to your WhatsApp.
Oh, when me done, me have a look, man.
Alright then. So have you eaten already?
Yes.
Well, if I didn't know you a little longer, I would just come over there and just before your man come home, you know. But you know, Mr. Rada, I'm not rushing anything.
Anyway, may we have a look on the message you send, and when him come, me show him it. So what you want now? Cause them they talking the way you give me, you know, it sound like you're up to something.
Well, we can see where our food take us, you know. But let's just get to know each other first. What do you say about that sexy candy?
Me have my man, you know. And you know, say.
I'm not asking you anything about your man.
Yeah, but it sound like a...
Don't insult me.
Me not insult you, me just I tell you straight up, say me and my man, so I want to know where you're up to. You don't have no woman. You single?
What you can do? We're big people, man. We're adults.
Alright then.
Don't stress yourself.
Alright.
No, it's normal. Raw dog. Doggy dog.
Alright, Mr. Radog. I hear you. Where you laugh at?
Oh, sorry about that. I'm in the studio.
Okay. Cause me hear some people in the background, you know, what I talk about.
Alright, I'm in the studio, man. Some artists there is in the studio with me. I'm saying I'll give you a call. But I don't want to take up much of your time, so we shall together, yeah?
Okay, alright then. Thanks for calling.
Alright, good night, sexy candy.
Alright, bye bye. Good night.